What can be touched but can't be seen? What's black and white and read all over? What question can you never answer yes to? I go in hard but come out soft. What am I? What's black when it's clean and white when it's dirty? What word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary? What has no life but can still die? What can be cracked, made, told, and played? The more you have of me, the less you can see. What am I? What is so fragile that saying its name breaks it? What can be caught but not thrown? What kind of tree can you carry in your hand? What has a heart that doesn't beat? What gets wetter as it dries? What kind of room has no doors or windows? I am always running, but never get tired or hot. What am I? What starts with T, ends with T, and is full of tea? The more you have, the more you want. What am I? What can travel all around the world without leaving its corner?
Hit like and subscribe for more brain teasers. Hit like and subscribe for more brain teasers.